Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetic YouTube channel. As in the last videos we have seen access modifier and OOP concept and a lot of things regarding Java. Okay, so in this video we will see access modifier. We will use those access modifier on our methods, attributes, and constructor also. So if we talk about access modifier that we want to use for classes, so we have discussed in last video that we can use only public keyword, public access modifier or default access modifier for classes. But if you want to use access modifier for our attributes, method, and constructor, then we have four type of modifier, that is public, private, and default, and protected. So these are the four access modifier that we can use in our uh, in our classes. Okay, so let's understand it by the code. Okay, so as we have seen, so this is our car class. Okay, this is our public car class. Okay, this is public class, so we can use this class anywhere in our modifier project. Okay, even outside of this com project, com package. Okay, so if we see, let's see, this car has one method, that is test. Okay, so now we haven't mentioned any keyword before void. That means it is a default access modifier. Okay, here we will consider it as a default access modifier. So can we access this test method in tata.java or tata class? Can we? Of course. Let's see. Of course, why would I say of course? We have to see now. So let's run this. Okay, this is, I think, card or Java is going to run here. Okay, now if we wanted to run Tata. Okay, so we are calling test method from car class. So we are able to access this test method in Tata class. Okay, so can we use that same thing in this method, this first.java? Definitely not. Let's run this program then. Okay, then we will see what is the error. Okay, so exception in thread, the car is not visible. Why? Because as we have as we have seen in the last video, that if we haven't mentioned any keyword before void, or we are not mentioning the public access modifier, then we expect it is a default access modifier. And as we know, default access modifier allows us to use class in same package. So we are able to use that method in Tata class but not in first class, because first first class is present in other package. Okay, so if we create this method, this test method public, then we can easily use here in this. It will be accessible here because of public public modifier. Okay, we are able to run this method or run this class. Okay, so this is the basic functionality of public and default access modifier. So if I do public, sorry, private. Okay, private. So we have created this method private. Can we access this test method, that is public private method? Can we access this in same class? Let's check, run, and find out that is it working or not. So what we from this output we can say that we can use private method in our same class. Okay, can we use this method in here, this method in other class but in same package? Let's check, run Tata class. No, definitely not. And same for, definitely not, because it is private. Private means we can't use this method in other classes, even in same package, either in same package or in different package. We can't use that. Okay, okay. One more thing we can expect here, that is protected. What is this? This is something new here, right? This is something new here. So how can we use this? We will talk about this particular keyword in inheritance. That is one of the main properties of OOP concept. In upcoming video, we will see how can we use this protected. But for now, we only have to know that default public, and there is one access modifier, that is private access modifier, that allow us to use class methods in same class. That's it. Okay, we can't use private method in other classes. Okay, default and public, we can use these modifier on class level and method level and attribute level, that is variable definition, that's it, and constructor level. Okay, we can use same public modifier and default modifier on class level, method level, attribute level, and constructor level. Okay, constructor level. Okay, but private and protected, we can't use that in uh, protected. Okay, we can't use this at class level. Okay, neither private or neither not protected. So this is all about access modifier part 2, in which in this video we have seen how can we use public, private, default access modifier on the method level. Okay, in the same way we can use this in attribute level. You can try at yourself. If you have any kind of doubt in that, then please do comment us, so we will let you know the answer. How can we use that? How can we implement same thing in our programs? So thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video once more again.